Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent duplicate data entries here in Google Sheet. So first you want to go ahead and select the column where you want to prevent the duplicate entries. And then over here at the top, just click on data, then click on data validation, then click on add rule. And then over here at criteria, just click on it, then scroll down to the very bottom. And then just click on custom formula. And then over here at the formula, you want to write this formula. But first you want to put an equal symbol at the very beginning. And then you're going to write the formula. And for the end here, you want to replace it with the column that you're going to add this rule. So for my case, it's going to be the column A. So I'm going to put A, then the comma, then the $sign, then A1, then the close parenthesis, equal sign, 1. And after that, he can choose to either show a warning if a duplicate data appears, or you can also choose to reject the input. So I'm just gonna click on second option. And then you can also customize the text that appears for the warning. For example, I'm going to put name already exists. And then after you're done with that, just click on done. Then close the sidebar. Now I'm going to try to put a duplicate entry here. So as you can see, Google Sheets rejects the input. So that's it. Thanks for watching.